Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So, vectors from flippy.com. I will add the download link and project files. First step, let's select this background look layer. Select this cloth 1 and cloth 2. Let's press P, make new position keyframe. Go to 5 seconds. Let's press N for select work area. And let's select this 2 cloth. Move to left and select this 1 cloth. Move to right. Select these keyframes, make easy ease, and let's see. Okay, nice. So let's create new object and add name fake camera. And hold Ctrl. Let's double click this icon for move to anchor point center. Click selection tool and let's unlock this background. Select this all layers, parent to this fake camera. Again lock background and select this camera, press S, make scale keyframe and go to last keyframe. Let's change scale 105 or 110. Let's see. Okay, so select this layer 1 and let's press P, make new position keyframe and go to last keyframe, move to down. Let's see. Okay, go to first second. Let's select this layer 2 and layer 3, layer 4, press P, make new position keyframe, go to last keyframe and let's change to position, move to up and layer 3 move to down and layer 4 move to down. Let's see. Okay, this is fake parallax. Okay, nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.